On the final challenge for the range lesson, we're given four variables and we need to use the range function to assign some things to each of them. So the first one, it says we want to give it a range object, not lists, but a range object, each assigned to a variable. All of the numbers from 0 to 50 inclusive. So I'm going to start at 0, but of course, if I want 50 included, I have to go one beyond, right? It's non-inclusive on that second parameter. So I have to go to 51, so 50 is included. Now, 0 to 50, only the evens. So here we're looking at the same range, so 0 to 51, but only every other item, right? Every second item, and it looks like I have forgotten to actually invoke the range function here, right? So that one should be good. Now, 0 to 50 odds. 0 is an even number, so we're not going to start with 0, right? We're actually going to have to start with 1. And again, we don't want to go beyond 50, so we're still going to use 51 as our upper bound, and then we're going to go every other. And then 0 to 50 by 3s. So lastly, we'll go 0 to 50 using 51 as that second parameter by 3s. Again, forgetting the range function. Let's go ahead and give that a whirl, see how it goes. Hopefully we pass the test. We do. That's it for the range lesson. We'll see you in the next lesson talking about accessing list values with indexing or slicing.